Good morning from my little tent. I made it over 100 miles yesterday. I'm at 101.2 or something like that. Anyways, rained a little bit last night. Kind of like being a little wimp about getting outside though, because it's damp and it'll be kind of cold. Poor domestic bear. Anyways, here's a peek of what it looks like outside. It's all warm in my sleeping bag. In my little tent. I will soon gather myself together and make the move to go outside and push on like a grown man can. Maybe. So this morning was a slow start. I was feeling kind of discouraged, laying in the tent, waiting for rain to stop. And it eventually stopped. And I was eventually the last one to leave the area I was camping in. And it's like, I don't know, it's like, it was after 10, it was like 10:20 or something like that. But once I'm out on the trail, it feels good. It feels good to be on the trail. It feels good to be walking. So today we're gonna go to Orange Springs. I don't know if I'm booking a room there or not. I'm trying to, because I'm a lazy, not too poor hiker, and I can afford to stay in a room. Maybe I'll get to rent out my clothes. Other than that, I don't think I'm going to make it there before the community center closes, though. I hear they close at 2 or something like that. So I got to put this down because it's getting muddy, and it would be really funny to watch me slip and fall in the mud, wouldn't it? Unfortunately, I don't fall very much. Or fortunately. Anyways. Two little hikers crossing a meadow, I guess. I'll be down there in a few minutes. I see purple and yellow flowers. I'm going to walk right past those flowers. I'm going to go dance in them for you guys. Pretty cool trail. Well, over my shoulder there you got the famous Eagle Rock Natural Formation. It's a little cooler looking than I was expecting, actually. I'm pretty happy I stopped. Two guys right behind me kept cruising by. I guess they missed out. It's time for me to take a break anyways. I'm gonna I'm going to sit down here and have some water and a snack. Already arriving in Warner Springs. Interesting. It was a pretty easy walk. Bounce across the stream. And we'll go see what kind of goodies at the community center is going on. Stacy would like some real food. Even though I'm not, it's all food in my pack. And we'll see what I'm gonna do here. Okie dokie. Alrighty, a little update. End of the day. It was a nice, easy day. Walking through a lot of grass with a lot of flowers growing in the grass. It was really pretty. It was nice. I saw Eagle Rock today. It gets a lot of press. It's pretty cool to see in person, though. It didn't let me down. I was a little bit thinking it was a little overdone, but I don't think it is. Did, I don't know, 8 or 9 miles today, something like that, from Barrel Springs to Warner Springs Rec Center, which there's very kind people here taking care of hikers. Got a meal at the high school across the way, some carne asada tacos and carne salad. It was a nice treat. Yeah, it really is a must stop place. So right now, going forward, I think I need to make decisions. It's about 70 miles to the next resupplied town, which is Idlewild, and there's a cafe stop, Paradise Valley Cafe stop, for a good burger at about 40 miles up the trail, and I will definitely make a stop there. There's people fretting about the snow and stuff in the San Jacinto mountain, and I'm not gonna fret about it yet. I'm gonna get to Paradise Valley Cafe and make a decision there whether or not I need to hitch up to Idlewild or sit for something to come in or make a decision, because there's a little bit of snow up there. I kind of pointed out the peaks on an earlier video. So we'll see how it goes. And so resupply, I don't know if I'm gonna zero here tomorrow or not. But I definitely need to get like 7 days worth of food packed away, and going forward, things are getting a little bit more serious, I think. On a positive note, I'm happy that my body and my mind, my feet are all really healthy. Hear about people having to change out shoes and got blisters and having problems with shin splints and a lot of cramps and calves being too tight, and I don't really seem to be having too much of that problem. My Achilles tendon's really tight, so my calves need to be stretched much more in the morning, which I need to take. I'll be taking more care of myself that way. But other than that, I'm like really healthy, really happy with the pace that I'm going, and it's beautiful. I'm so happy to be walking on the trail. And I'm going to keep going, so God bless. And if nothing else, peace, one love.